Hello everyone, and welcome back to Yijin Hardware. In our previous video, we discussed the processes and tools for outer and inner edge turning. In this episode, we will talk about the process of parting off in CNC turning. Parting off refers to the process of using a tool's radial feed to divide a workpiece into two parts. During parting off, chip removal plays a crucial role. As the tool cuts deeper into the workpiece, chip breaking within the cutoff groove becomes increasingly difficult. A good tool edge can smoothly discharge chips, typically resulting in fully curled spring-shaped chips. Under the action of the insert's chip-breaking groove, the chips will contract in the width direction, making the chips narrower than the groove width. Poor chip removal can lead to chip blockage, resulting in poor surface quality and line blockage, and in severe cases, tool damage. Here are some key points to ensure successful parting off. 1. The tip of the parting off tool must be at the same height as the workpiece center. The height deviation should not exceed -0.1 millimeters. If the cutting edge is too high, the back rake angle will decrease, causing the edge to scrape. If it's too low, a boss will remain at the cutoff point, and the tool tip may get damaged. 2. The length of the tool overhang should not be too long. When installing the tool holder, ensure the tool is perpendicular to the surface to reduce vibrations during processing. 3. The feed should be slow and steady. As you approach the cutoff point, reduce the feed speed to avoid breaking the tool tip. This is because as the parting off tool approaches the center, the cutting speed at the tool tip gradually reduces to 0, causing an unbalanced load on the tool tip. Therefore, lower the feed rate as you approach the cutoff point to maintain balance. Generally, reduce the feed rate to 0.05 millimeters per revolution when the tool tip is within 2 millimeters of the center line, which also helps reduce vibrations and extend tool life. 4. When parting off steel, use cutting fluid for cooling and lubrication. For cast iron, cutting fluid is generally not used. If necessary, kerosene can be used for cooling and lubrication. Modder 5. When cutting off a workpiece held between two centers, do not cut all the way to the center to prevent tool breakage and the workpiece from flying out. Have you mastered these parting off techniques? Subscribe to our channel to easily learn CNC knowledge and make a little progress every day.